left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
Alright, so we're getting gas at a truck stop. And we've had a couple of viewers say, oh, what's the difference between a truck stop and a normal gas station? So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the process here, how I prep it out and get ready to get some diesel on the bus. One thing that I do just so I can stay clean, pretty, I always get my glove. My little glove dispensers are amazing. So I get the gloves, but also every stop I do a quick visual, make sure the toad looks good, all the straps are high and tight, everything's looking good on the bus. Tires still look good, all my fins are shut. How you doing, man? Doing diesel on number 4? Now I gotta put on my gloves so I don't get diesel on my hand. Alright. Diesel. And if the truck stops are bigger nozzles, so we're going to be able to get this thing to fly through. If I wanted to, I could actually pump on both sides. And our rig has fill up on both sides, but it goes pretty fast where I don't even need to worry about it because it fills up faster than I'm ready for it most of the time. The most important part about being at a truck stop is the respect factor. So what they ask you to do is when you're done pumping your gas, you pull up to the yellow line. When you pull up to the yellow line up here, you stop. That way you can go into the truck stop, go to the bathroom, and get your receipt, do all of that stuff. Just like this truck here, we're going to do that here in a second. And what that does is allows... Hey girls, they ready to go outside?
Out real quick.
All right.
We have another couple hours to go.
Yeah. Okay, now, here we go. Look at that. That makes you feel good. $280 for whopping 50 gallons. Def cycling. Boom, boom, boom. Gauge is good. Here we go. Air brake off. In gear engaged. Thank you so much.
ESD?
Yep, that was me. Thank you, thank you. Hey, what's up guys? We've been having some squeaking on our door as we've been going down the street. Secret little tip right here. To stop the squeaking on the door, just take a little bit of electrical tape and put it right around the door latch. Right like that. Make it nice and smooth and nice and tight like that. That's supposed to eliminate all our squeaking of our door on the Class A as we're going down the street. You just do like a 6-8 inch strip. As long as you make it nice and tight, smooth it out, the door will latch. And that right there should eliminate all squeaking.
Chirping at us. Sometimes it's like an aggressive chirp. Other times it's like a happy, friendly chirp.
Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on RV living. Such a beautiful day out here. All right, hope you guys enjoy.